Security, and you know we had to have Aunty Donna join again and get on board for the next couple months. Aunty Donna, are you ready again?
Bigger and better.
Bigger and better.
Yeah, bigger.
Yeah. So we're here today signing the contract again and renewing Aunty Donna. So you know Aunty Donna is your favorite, so she's definitely coming on board again with Miss Birdie. Aunty Donna, you want to say anything today?
Well, thank you so much, Miss Birdie. It was a pleasure working with you in the past months, last year, and this year with Ramesh on board and the purity managers here who chose me to be a brand ambassador for them. I am so proud of myself, and I want to say thank you to Ramesh, thank you to Mr. Trump, thank you to everybody here at Miss Birdie and Purity Bakery. Aunty Donna is going to do the best, and we're going to come bigger and better this year. A lot of things in store.
All right.
Lane 4, Olympian Jacqueline Forbes. Lane 6, Olympian Ramona Burchell, Sprint Tech. Lane 7, Olympian Jura Levy, Legacy Track Club. And in lane 8, Ashley Williams, Sprint Tech. So Ophelia, where they go now? Look to lane 5 for Elaine Thompson Herah, and she gets the win. 7.22. The first time.
Five, Shericka Jackson, MVP. Lane 6, Kashika Cameron, MVP. Lane 7, Sasha Forbes, Sprint Tech. And lane 8, Michael Moody, GC. Burchell, Williams in the mix as well. So it's Jackson 732, Burchell 733, Williams third 739, negative 2.9 meters per second the wind speed.